So last week I got a call from one of my interior decorator clients. They were in a bit of a panic because they needed some Mystic Modern themed tables for an upcoming event. Honestly, I didn't even know what Mystic Modern meant at first. But when my client explained it, I was intrigued. Mystic Modern is all about combining deep, rich colors with bold, artistic patterns to create a look that is both contemporary and captivating. It blends moody darks and vibrant hues, brought to life through intricate designs that grab attention and spark creativity. The idea is to create pieces that not only serve a functional purpose, but also stand out as art, transforming any space into a modern masterpiece. This was Thursday morning, and they needed them by Friday to stage a show on Saturday. I saw this as a perfect opportunity to show you how fast these makeovers can be done and how much profit potential there is in flipping furniture. I love a challenge, and this was the perfect chance to show you all how quickly and profitably you can flip furniture. Let's go. The key is finding pieces with good bones that can be transformed with minimal investment. With a little creativity, even the simplest items can become showstoppers. I headed to my local thrift store and found these 4 tables for just $34. That's $5, $7, $10, and $12 for each. I picked up some spray paint for $15, and then I grabbed a placemat that I used as a stencil from the dollar store, making a total upfront cost of $50. Let's dive into the transformation. I started by cleaning and prepping each table to ensure a smooth surface. The black spray paint served as a sophisticated base, complemented by vibrant accents of blue, magenta, purple, and yellow. The stencil added that unique pattern, capturing the Mystic Modern look. The entire makeover took less than 2 hours, including drying times. Even if you're new to flipping, this process is simple and effective, proving you can achieve stunning results quickly. Now, let's talk money. My client will rent this set for their event, earning me $100 to $150 over the weekend. This demonstrates how you can create a steady income stream by renting your pieces. After the event, these tables can be resold for $400 to $600, turning a $50 investment into substantial profits. Furniture flipping offers a lucrative opportunity to make significant earnings, whether for events, home staging, or private buyers. It's always rewarding to see a project come together, especially when it was so easy to do and at the same time aligns perfectly with what a client needs. This Mystic Modern makeover shows that you don't need a massive budget or extensive experience to create something amazing. With creativity and effort, anyone can turn a small investment into big profits. I hope this inspires you to take on your own furniture flipping projects. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your own transformations or any questions you might have. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on flipping furniture for profit. Thanks for watching,